Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we're going up to West Yorkshire and the Ghost Brewing Company, and this is a can of their Reaper Deathly Pale Ale. Apparently it's an English Pale Ale, but check out the artwork there. Pretty cool, if you ask me. I've had one beer from this brewery before, just had a quick look up. It's called Banshee, which is an India Rye Ale. That's what the photograph says anyway, so I think that's when I was up in Leeds last, not this year, last, what do you call it, Easter, for just going around Leeds after Hop City. So this is coming in at 4.4% ABV. There's a little bit of foam coming off the top of that. There you go. 4.4%, and there's no IBU counts, it's just a pale ale. But apparently it's the English style according to Untapped, which, yeah, we'll see. What I can already hit in my nostrils, bits of aroma, and what it looks like, it's not what I'd class as an English pale ale. That's just me. So it's a frothy, foamy white head. It's dissipating quite quickly. It's there's quite a lot of big bubbles you can see popping just before your very eyes. Down to just blow a finger of white head, it'd be gone in a minute. Lots of carbonation, as you can see, just almost like a, I don't know, a cider or something, I suppose. It's a nice kind of lemony colour. It does look very light in the glass. It's getting a proper aroma then. Yeah, lemongrass. Couldn't see any date on this can, best before or canned on date, so I'm drinking it. I've picked this up at the hotel room in Manchester. I've no idea who bought it. Again, I think this is the last of the hoppy beers now that are from the Manchester piss up, that were just left. There's about 20 odd beers, and me, Harry and Peter, we just shared them out between us because they're hoppy and need to be drunk, and everyone else had gone, so I was like, what do we do with these? So this is the I think the third and final beer that I've had from that kind of sequence of events, so whoever bought it, thank you. So I've had one beer from this brewery out of West Yorkshire, so it should be good, shouldn't it? God's County and all that. Let's do it. Right, let's get another aroma quickly. Yeah, it's very light, very floral. Maybe a little bit of grapefruit. Kind of almost like grassy, but not grainy, just grassy. Almost like a slight kind of hop oil. Let's give it a try and see what we got on the flavour. Cheers. It's hazed up slightly at the final third of this can. It's definitely not, even more so now. For me, I wouldn't say this is in the English style for a pale ale. The ingredients: water, barley, hops, yeast, the usual kind of fare there. Contains malted barley. Best before seed base. There's nothing on there. There's nothing on the base. They say it's all about the base, but there you go. Yeah, nice lemony notes. Very crisp, very clean. Obviously, it's a very low mouth, you know, body wise, low, kind of the low end. Not even into the medium. A little bit sherbet. Bit of melon, grapefruit. just kind of lighter stone fruits really. There's not nothing bold, but then in the style pale ale, whether it's the English style or the American style, it's not really gonna, at 4.4%, it is what it is basically. But for this style, very nice, very enjoyable, very sessionable. Again, a good sipper for a barbecue, hot day. You could do a few of these. Really, it's, you know, for what it is, it's a really nice beer. But I like things a little bit more bolder, a little bit more kind of character, things going on. This is a nice sipping beer, or if it's really hot, just chug it back, whatever you want to do. Barbecue, bloody bar. Out, get the parasol out, that kind of thing, you know. Fall asleep in your chair, wake up and you've got sunburnt kind of beer, you know. So yeah, I'll give it one more sip and then I'll give it a rating. It's a very enjoyable beer that I don't think I've seen around here down in Kent. It's not. It could be, but it's highly unlikely. It's more likely to be online, if anywhere, or just up sort of northern England. I mean, I don't know where this was picked up, whether it was in Manchester, whether it was in Birmingham, or whether it was brought with Stuart and whatever from West Yorkshire to Manchester. I don't know. So maybe someone can put a little bit more info in the comments where this beer come from and who bought it. That'd be cool. So yeah. Oh yeah, a rating. It's okay, but it's nothing special. It's a 6.5 out of 10 from me. So yeah, so it's, what does that work out at? Let's say 6.5 is 3.25. That's where I'm at. Over to Untapped, if I can get the page to work. Today would be good. Right, it's coming in. It's had a total of 1,170 ratings, 22 in the last 30 days, not many. Actual ratings that people have given a score with this beer, 972, currently on the 11th of April of 2018, coming in at 3.53, so I'm giving it a little bit lower, 3.25, so it's in that kind of ballpark, you know, 6.5 to 7-ish. So, if you had this one before, from the Ghost Brewing, is it Ghost Brew Co? Ghost? Not Gross, Ghost Brew Co. And this is their Reaper. Definitely pale ale. Comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.